Hi students, I wanted to do the listening test for you for Unit 4, all about weather and days of the week and months of the year. So please, on a piece of paper, go ahead and number it 1 through 15, and then there's going to be 3 extra questions there at the end, which would be great to know and would help you get to that level 4. But again, number your paper 1 to 15 for the first section, and then there's going to be 3 sentences at the bottom that you're going to translate for me. At the top of your paper, also go ahead and don't forget your name and then the block number, and then label that paper Unit 4 Listening. Just call it a retake, I suppose. So Unit 4 Listening Retake, and your name and your block number. So here we go. So 1 through 15 to start off, okay? Hace calor. Hace calor. Number 2, está nublado. Está nublado. Now during this video, if you needed a little bit of extra time to think, please feel free to go ahead and pause it. That's cool. Okay, so the number 1 was hace calor. Number 2 is está nublado. Number 3 is hay relámpagos. So 1, 2, and 3, one started with hace, one started with está, and one started with I. Please don't forget to tell me what does the beginning part mean, okay? So 1, hace calor. 2, está nublado. 3, hay relámpagos. 4, hace viento. Hace viento. 5, está lloviendo. Está lloviendo. 6, está nevando. Está nevando. 7, hace frío. Hace frío. 8, hace fresco. Hace fresco. Number 9, hay tormenta. Hay tormenta. Number 10, llueve. Llueve. Now a hint is it's not a day of the week, okay? It's llueve. Number 11 is enero. Enero. Number 12 is mayo. Mayo. 13 is jueves. Jueves. 14 is sábado. 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 And 15 is martes. 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 Okay? So that was 1 through 15. Real quick, if you want to check your work, it was hace calor, está nublado. 3 was hay relámpagos. 4 was hace viento. 5 was está lloviendo. 6 está nevando. 7 hace frío. 8 hace fresco. 9 hay tormenta. 10 llueve. 11 enero. 12 mayo. 13 jueves. 14 sábado. And 15 martes. So if you want to show off a little, now you can try for 16, 17, and 18. And this time, instead of just phrases or words, I really want you to translate an entire sentence for me. But if you only know part of the sentence, that's okay. Just write for me what you do know, because it's only going to help your grade, okay? So number 16, I want you to translate and say what it means in Spanish. It is very windy and cold in Chicago. So that statement again is, it is very windy and cold in Chicago. So if you know how to say it is windy, or it is very windy, and it is cold, then you just tack on in Chicago. So again, for number 16, it is very windy and cold in Chicago. Now number 17 is, there is a lot of ice and it snows a lot in Iowa. So 17 was, there is a lot of ice and it snows a lot in Iowa. 17, there is a lot of ice and it snows a lot in Iowa. Last one, 18, in Mexico, it is good weather and it is sunny in October, November, and December. So again, number 18 is, in Mexico, it is good weather and it is sunny in October, November, and December. Last three, so you can check your answers for 16, 17, and 18. It is very windy and cold in Chicago. 17, there is a lot of ice and it snows a lot in Iowa. 18, in Mexico, it is good weather and it is sunny in October, November, and December. Okay, thank you for doing the retake with me. Have a nice day.